Ready?
Yeah.
I think it's recording. It's recording.
Either way.
Oh, you got Dookie's reaction.
It's nice.
I've never been to this one before.
There's a lot of people here.
Yeah, wait till you get to the up there to the right. It's usually more packed. Yeah, like when we come on Saturday, Friday and Saturday, you'll notice the difference. Especially that it's going to be good weather. Then got mad and she almost hit that lady.
What?
He went in the chair and she got mad. She almost hit Yeah, 70 years.
Not a big area. Kind of goes down this way, opens up.
Look, there's Star Wars. There's a Star Wars store. What do you think so far?
I like it.
You like it?
It was about 20 years ago. Logan was probably 5 or 6.
What's that the entrance to? Okay.
The monorail?
The monorail is like a rail that's way above and it takes you around the beach. Just this long. Here they have like pins and stuff that you can get. Mickey Mouse ears.
Oh, people like those, huh?
Yeah. For corn dog? You gotta try the corn dog.
Is it good?
Yeah. they're
You gonna
good.
recommend one?
I recommend them.
I recommend either one. I'll take a bite.
You got your card with you?
Yeah.
Which one's good though?
Whichever one would you like. There's the classic, the golden dragon. There's buffalo cheese and dog, kid dog, classic dog, pickle dog. Or do you want to see if they have more up there?
Let me see there.
The ones in California, they have like, it's like the sausage and cheese, all that on the other side. Like you probably try corn dog on this side, on Disney, and then try one the next one. I was telling her about the cones at the park place.
Oh yeah. The car ride those because they're repainting it or something.
We're the ones that are going to have to carry the flag.
The pages with coffee sugar on it.
Going to BC.
that has the Michelin star. That's how it gets the drink. That one.
Right. Really? Really? No.
They have one that's inside.
They are lollipops.
Yeah, that's part of the restaurant. One of the chefs that took here was on that cooking show that something like some challenge that they had on there. He was on there. Yeah, you probably see the name pretty tight. It's really good. You can actually get out of first rate.
Hey, welcome to the
And they make the candy apples right in front of you.
I heard that Naples pizza's pretty good.
We'll have to try it. I don't think we've ever
See,
tried
shows you
pizza.
guys with the hats. Sir, these people. Yeah. Yeah.
Some of them don't have them.
Undercovers.
Yeah, like they just look like regular people. And they'll have to do something and then they'll get you. See those cars way down there? See the lights? See the lights and it has different parts behind it? That's what we're going to drive in on what it is. They drop. Yeah, they drop it. You have to take them to the garage.
So you go to the hospital.
你要爸爸还是要自己走路？One thing, eventually. 你要自己走路也可以，可是你要牵着我走，然后不要这样子。
Oh, strawberry croissant. The kids are all eating stuff, want stuff. Yeah.
Mini 没错，它就是米妮。
Oh, yeah.
米奇。
What?
Because she's like, it's missing the M, but the dog stole it. Remember the turtle from Nemo?
Crush?
Yeah, Crush. So on California side, you go in a building and you go into a room. Yeah, and then you ask him questions. They'll be like, how many wives? He's like, only one. How far are you gonna go?
I'm sure of the park. What you can see.
So this side is Disney. That side is Hollywood. You'll see the front of it. When the kids were younger, his mom would come, they had teacups like this, and all the kids would go in the park.
Yeah. As soon as we walk in, we go to yeah. Or you can go to a store and they'll give you one.
Nice. That is literally and then
That's why we go. That's what my
Hella high.
How many stories does that have to be like?
This is the entrance.
Now she's having second thoughts.
Hey, you down there! It's you who can't believe your eyes. Am I right?
Yeah, we want to see the other one.
This is the one with the kids right here. That's the one like that.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god.
Like in Florida, you'd have to drive to the other park. These are just right across from each other.
In this building right here, when we enter, that's the train. Is it the train or the tram?
The train goes around the park and goes east. It's like a ride, yeah. It's a ride, basically. You can use it to get to point A to point B to different lands.
They do most of the decorations in one night.
So is it what you thought it was
No,
in your head?
it's not.
No.
It's better.
Wait till you go inside.
That's the reaction I really want to get. If I'm already seeing that face.
Wait till you go. There's a tunnel. Right when you enter and you walk through, that's all you see is like buggies, horses, and all the shops.
So what is this? Or is this just there?
The light rail.
That's the light rail.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So this one's the bigger part. So this one is